Okay, I apologize for not making a video in a week or two, but I've been busy doing projects. We both have. Let me show you what I've done on the RV. It's kind of a mess inside, but let me show you outside first. This is something I just completed on top of the bumper here. I got a 7-foot fence post with end caps, and what I did here is, let me show you what we got in here. This is where I'm keeping the Stinky Slinky. 2 sections of Rhino. The reason I did this is because they will not fit in the bumper. I have a small one in there just for spares, but yeah, this fits in there great. What I did is I got another what do you call it, rain gutter, plastic rain gutter. It's 10 feet. I cut it to 7 feet to fit the fence post, and yeah, it works really good. Frees up some space. We're trying to free up space wherever we can. So yeah, I got it strapped down with just some nylon straps. It seems to be okay. I don't think anyone's gonna mess with it. I just sealed the other end here. I don't need to get in that end, but I think it looks pretty good. You know, too bad it doesn't match, but that's okay. And then on the inside, I've been doing a few things. Haven't got very far, but yeah, it's a mess. I had to take everything out of the cupboards up here because had to get at the wires in here. What I was doing is, well, I was going to put a dimmer switch here because there's just a switch there for the lights up above here. I wanted them on dimmers, so I took this off and I was going to put one of these on. Just haven't done that yet. I'm trying to figure out. I hooked it up, but it doesn't seem to dim because might have to have another wire. I don't know if the ground wire needs to be on there or what. Anyways, I got to figure that out. Anyways, the reason I did get in there is because I wanted to tap into these 12-volt lights so I could put some USB chargers in here. I bought 4 of them, and so far got 1 in. I want to put 2 back in the bedroom and maybe 1 over here above the dinette. And Lisa's been experimenting with this. She'd like to do this backsplash, finish that. It's just up there temporary right now. But anyways, yeah, so progress is being made. We just got back from a weekend in here, and yeah, we do have a couple videos we have to make, so they'll be coming up shortly. But the condo has not sold yet. Do have a showing this weekend. Hopefully it'll go soon because we're getting anxious. We want to get this all done with and get in here full time. So yeah, that's what we've been up to, and stay tuned. There'll be more videos coming. We'll try to get them going. We were trying to do 2 a week, but we just been too busy getting ready, so bear with us, and we'll talk to you later.